Thank you very much for talking to us today at SoldierTech. Can you briefly describe what kind of products you have on display here and also why you're here at the show?
Yes, certainly, Nick. Istec is a company with a very diverse company. We do everything ranging from protected weapon systems on large platforms and ships, all the way down to rail mounts for ancillaries on weapons. And it's at the bottom end of the market that we're focusing obviously at this show today, with our main push being towards the UK MOD and looking at enhancing current capabilities that they have.
And how exactly does Istec aim to do this? Which products and what kind of enhancements are you making to existing?
Well, that's easy. I'll take you through some of them now. The first thing that we've got here, range of weapon systems as used by UK MOD, the in-service rifle on the right with an underslung grenade launcher. We put an underslung grenade launcher sight on that there to improve the capability, and that's part of the FIST program at the moment. The light machine gun, Picatinny rails on that, and then we've Picatinnyized the top cover there so that they can put a Picatinny mounted optic sight on that. And then the final one is the light support weapon. Currently sat in armories at the moment, not doing an awful lot. What we've done is we've just lightened it, we've taken away the heavy barrel, we've put Picatinny rails on that, we've put a lighter sight on top. So we've just given it a new lease of life, basically as a section marksman type of weapon, rather than the light support weapon it was before. In recent years, as part of UORs, the UK has bought a number of flash eliminators, in this case the Surefire one, which do not fit the in-service safe blank firing system, which fitted with the birdcage. So what we've done is we've developed a safe blank firing system which will fit both. It's a captive system. It allows for 3 rounds to be fired through it, 3 live rounds, so it is safe. It doesn't just recycle for weapons, and that fits very easily and captures and tightens and is there. And it's exactly the same system for the safe blank firing. All it requires is the in-service tool the user has, flips it off, and there he is. So the user community has been interested in that. We've had interest in that from Special Forces and from the Green Army, as well as the RAF Regiment, funnily enough. Not just the British Army, but most armies are now carrying, in this case PVS-14, but helmet-mounted night vision sights. We know that money's tight. We know that that's a perfectly good night sight. So what we've done is we've taken the PVS-14, we've allowed the user to take it off his helmet, and with a little simple collar on it, an adapter for a Picatinny rail, he can clip it onto the Picatinny rail in front of his normal inline sight. So he's effectively now got an inline night sight. Now finally what we've done is we've taken the range of the in-service sights, and in here you can see everything from a Maxi-Kite, a Viper, the new Elcans and the SUSAT, and we've produced a series of collars for them, clip-on collars that allow the fitment of a camera. Now the camera can then be used either for training purposes, after action reviews, and in the case of the likes of the Vipers or the Maxi-Kite, which are fitted to the heavy weapon systems, as a head-down firing system in case a vehicle is taking incoming rounds and the user wants to get his head down. And here you can see the Maxi-Kite fitted with the camera, which clips in there, and that's all the camera is. You don't have to have a screen. It could go straight to an SD card, memory, and as I say, after action review. So that's the range of products that we're trying to push at the moment.
Thank you very much, Mark. And in terms of what you've achieved here at Soldier Technology this year, could you briefly describe, perhaps in one short sentence, how it's gone this year for you?
We hit our user group effectively. All of those people from the MOD and those from a number of other European countries, the requirements managers, were here. We managed to talk to them, we showed them what we've got. I think the great thing about the show is it is focused. There's a saying amongst our light that there's no tyre kickers here, which was good.